popping across central and southern Utah, and in Carbon County we have a flash flood warning that's in effect there until 7 p.m. So definitely concerning there. It's 98 right now. Northwest winds coming in at about 10 to 15. We haven't hit 100 yet today. We're in the upper 90s. There's still time for us though to hit the triple digits today, and if we don't do it today, we certainly will over the next few. 106 in St. George. You can see things cooling off with some storms near Moab, 78 there, and in Price, 83 there, cooling down thanks to some of those storms. This evening for the Salt Lake area, high 90s as we head through the next few hours, just dropping below 90 degrees at 9 p.m. Normal high is 95, so we are above that, and the sun sets tonight at 8:39 p.m. But it'll be dry for us here in northern Utah. So storms have been popping in our central and southern mountains, the Uintas 2 heading east. Zooming on in, again, the Wasatch Front for the most part looking good. You can see a few storms down in Utah County in the mountains there. But again, the concern has been over in the Carbon County area where we have had a thunderstorm that's popped up over a burn scar, the Bear Burn Scar. And so there's a potential for a debris flow in the Price River. And so that's going to be specifically over in the Helper area, and that flash flood warning goes until 7 p.m. So we'll be watching that really closely as well. Down in southern Utah, you can see a few thunderstorms popping up off the central and southern mountains. So Escalante and also over towards Capitol Reef area. There's a chance for some flash flooding with some of those storms as we head through the evening hours. These storms will die down fast though, and so by midnight we're all done. You can see a few storms trying to pop up and move towards us here in northern Utah, but they don't quite get here. So we are going to be looking at dry conditions for tonight. Tomorrow, a chance for some mountain thunderstorms and east once again, and we'll have those chances in our high terrain in central and southern Utah, especially over the next few days. So you can see those chances dwindling as we head through midweek. But by the end of the week, those chances start to pick back up again. And in northern Utah, our next best chance for some storms potentially arriving on Saturday. Air quality has been looking good. We've been in the green, and we continue to be at green, occasionally starting to head towards moderate. We should see that stick around through tonight. A little bit of smoke trying to push in tomorrow morning, especially for our northern Utah. And then we'd start to see that flow switch, which should help things out a little bit for the middle part of the week. High pressure is building in, and that is just going to continue to crank up the heat. Tuesday will be the hottest, 104 in Salt Lake, and then it kind of squashes down a bit after that to let those temperatures cool off. Central Utah, mid-90s tomorrow. Some storms in the mountains. Upper 90s in Cedar City, 107 in St. George, 109 Tuesday, heat warnings, 105 next week. Northern Utah, we have high 90s, and for the Wasatch Front, we have temperatures again, widespread triple-digit heat, up to 102 in Salt Lake. We hit 104 tomorrow, 100 Wednesday, and then those temperatures starting to come back down to the middle and upper 90s and lows in the low 70s, potentially some thunderstorm chances popping up as we head towards next weekend. So hot and dry, dangerous heat moving in, a little smokier tomorrow.
Okay, sounds great. Kristen, thanks.